Shipments in Korea's manufacturing and mining industry recorded the largest year-on-year decline in 2023, largely due to sluggish demand in the semiconductor industry, according to Statistics Korea.
통계청에 따르면 지난해 우리나라 광업, 제조업, 출하액의 경우 반도체 수요 부진 등의 이유로 전년 대비 감소폭이 가장 컸던 것으로 기록됐습니다. Tell us more.
Yeah, we have the data from Statistics Korea that shows that those companies with more than 10 employees in manufacturing and mining, their combined shipments came to tentatively 1,992 trillion won last year, and that's down by 2.5%, by about 51.8 trillion won. It's the steepest on-year drop since they began collecting that data in the year 2000. We're seeing electronics, telecommunications, they dropped by 15.9% on year. Again, that's the largest decrease for them. However, when it comes to automobiles and shipping, they rose by 16.3% because, well, people abroad want electric vehicles and luxury cars, and we're making them for them.
Okay, when you say something declined steeply, something that's steep is like a big fall, isn't it?
Exactly. So plunge, dive, a steep decline, plummet. Yeah, all these terms suggesting there's been a big drop of some kind.
Right. And when we want to know why something happened, we might say due to something.
Yes. Which means because of. That is the reason. Something happens due to something.
Right.
In that case, it is being caused by it.
So, instead of saying because of, you might just use the word due to. And adding the to, adds that meaning of because of, whereas just due means that you have to do it until a certain date.
Yes, and you'll see this a lot, for example, weather and traffic reports. Due to is used a lot. Rather than because of, it's the standard formalized language used there. Due to emergency roadworks, for example.
That's right. Due to, D-U-E, 그다음에 to 이렇게 붙여서 쓰죠. 뭐뭐 때문에. And what about sluggish?
Imagine a slug, Sue. I know you probably don't want to so early in the morning. Slugs are snails without shells,
Right.
and they move very slowly. So if something is doing something or moving in a sluggish manner or sluggishly, it's slow. It can also have the nuance of someone being tired or maybe being lazy. In this case, we're talking about sluggish demand. Demand has slowed down.
I don't see too many slugs in Korea, at least not the big black ones that I grew up seeing quite a lot of in England.
Do you miss them?
I don't know if I miss them, but I do have very vivid memories of, going out during the rain or right after the rain, just to make sure that the slugs were there, and they were always there.
They were always there.
I don't know where they were hiding when it wasn't raining, but, you don't normally see them. And then as soon as it rains, all these black slugs everywhere. Did you grow up seeing those too?
We had lots of slugs. They weren't all black, though. I think it depends on the region.
Yeah, maybe it was just
in.
where I was living. Yeah,
But also Seoul and the surrounding areas are much more built up. I think if you go to the countryside, there might be a slug or two waiting for you.
Exactly. 자, slug는 민달팽이인데요. sluggish 하면은 민달팽이처럼 느릿느릿 움직인다. So if something is sluggish, it's very slow. 자, 그럼 다시 한번 제가 읽어보겠습니다. Shipments in Korea's manufacturing and mining industry recorded the largest year-on-year decline in 2023, largely due to sluggish demand in the semiconductor industry, according to Statistics Korea. Let's move on.